First, let's learn how to apply a moving average indicator. Open your desired assets chart on Tradingview in the top toolbar. You'll find a button that says Indicators. Click on that. Now, in the search bar that appears, type Moving Average. You'll see several options. Will focus on the basic moving average, which covers both simple moving averages, or SMAs, and exponential moving averages, or EMAs. Click on it to add it to your chart. By default, you'll likely see a simple moving average, or SMA. This averages the closing price of an asset over a specified period. Let's change its length. Click the gear icon next to the moving average indicator on your chart here. Under the Inputs tab, you can modify the length. We'll start with a 50-period SMA, which is common for identifying medium-term trends. Now let's add another moving average, this time an exponential moving average, or EMA. Repeat the process. Click Indicators, search for moving average, and add it again, this time in the Indicators settings. Go to the Style tab. You can change the color for easy distinction. Then go back to Inputs and select EMA for the type. We'll set its length to 20. The EMA gives more weight to recent prices, making it more responsive to price changes. Now, let's interpret what we're seeing. Moving averages help us identify the trend when the price is consistently above a moving average. It suggests an uptrend. If the price is below, it indicates a downtrend. A key strategy using two moving averages is the crossover. When a shorter-term moving average, like our 20-period EMA, crosses above a longer-term moving average, like our 50-period SMA, it can signal a potential bullish trend and an opportunity to enter a long position. Conversely, when the shorter-term moving average crosses below the longer-term moving average, it can signal a potential bearish trend and suggest an exit signal for long positions or an entry for short positions. Experiment with different moving average lengths and types to find what works best for your trading style and the assets you trade. By mastering moving averages on Tradingview, you gain a powerful tool for navigating markets and enhancing your trading decisions.